Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Check your Android version and the app you want as the default share target. Once done, open Settings and search for Apps or Applications. This is where you control default behaviors. You may need to tap the three-dot menu or the Default Apps section. Follow prompts. If your phone uses a custom skin, use the search bar inside Settings to find Default Apps fast. Make sure the app you want is installed and granted necessary permissions before continuing. Next, dive into Default Apps and look for the Share Handler or Associations. This is the middle step where you assign the default. You may need to clear defaults from the app that currently handles sharing. Open that app's info page and tap Clear Defaults. Then trigger a share intent from any app. Pick your preferred target and choose Always when prompted. This sets the new default. If Android offers no prompt, install a trusted share picker utility and set it as default instead. Finally, verify the change by sharing from several different apps to confirm the default sticks. This proves the system recognizes the association. If the choice reverts or isn't offered, make sure battery optimization or aggressive task killers aren't disabling the target app, and confirm it has storage and launch permissions. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset app preferences in Settings if nothing else works. This clears defaults and lets you start fresh. Then set the share default again to resolve persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.